And of course, the trouble for Republic TV over the fake TRP scam continues. Republic TV CFO Shiva Sundaram is going to be appearing shortly before the Mumbai crime branch in connection with the fake TRP numbers. Republic CFO was summoned on Friday to appear before the police over the charges of fudging TRP numbers to increase its advertising revenue. Tightening further news around Republic TV, the Mumbai crime branch has also now roped in the Economic Offences Wing to probe Republic TV's TRP scam. The Economic Offences Wing, or the EOW, is now going to be looking into the diversion of funds, the proceeds of crime in terms of advertising revenue which has been earned by faking TRPs. The Economic Offences Wing is also going to be looking into the financial aspects of Republic TV along with forensic audit on the finances of Republic TV. Meanwhile, India Today has accessed remand copy of the accused Vishal Bhandari, who has confessed before the cops that he was paid 20,000 rupees to pay households to watch Republic TV. The accountants and few officials of two other channels, Fakt Marathi and Box Cinema, also asked to appear before the Mumbai police today. Devesh and Pankaj both joining us for the latest. Devesh is joining us from the crime branch in Mumbai. Pankaj Upadhyay reporting in from the Mumbai crime branch office is also with us. First up, let's go straight across to Devesh. Devesh, the CFO was supposed to appear before the Mumbai crime branch. Now the Economic Offences Wing has been pulled up as well, and a thorough financial audit into Republic TV TRP scam is going to take place, because here there is an advertiser's money which is at stake. In case this is proven by the EOW and they find something absolutely wrong, then they have not just fooled the viewers, they fooled the advertisers, and as the Member of Parliament Karthi Chidambaram says, the government spends are also riding high on this.
Yes, Chaiti, now the Economic Offences Wing is looking into this particular case. Their TRPs were being rigged by channels like Republic, Fakt Marathi and Box Cinema. Republic CFO Shiv Sundaram has been summoned. He was asked to join investigation by 11 a.m. but as of now, he hasn't reached. It could be that he could be preparing with his legal team before he joins investigation, before he appears before Crime Intelligence Units Sachin Vaze and DCP Parag Banere from the Economic Offences Wing. Right now, there was a meeting going on between CIU officers and the EOW officers who are now jointly going to probe what is the case. In this case, what are the funds that were diverted, what kind of funds were received by Republic TV through advertisements. Remember, agencies like Madison and Lintas, they've also been contacted and have been asked to provide details on the advertisements that were received by Republic TV. On basis of that, the revenue that they've generated in the set period will be taken into account, and these are, as the Mumbai police said, these are the proceeds of crime. Republic TV didn't only cheat their viewers, they also cheated.
Important point. Pankaj Upadhyay is also with us. Pankaj, because the advertising revenue has been earned by faking the TRPs, the accusation now is that this is going to be treated as proceeds of crime for Republic TV. At the moment, we also have a remand copy of Vishal Bhandari where he's confessed to saying that he in fact received money to rig the TRPs.
Yes, absolutely, Chaiti. This very diary of Vishal Bhandari, as the police says, has many names, and this is a solid evidence against Republic TV. But Mumbai police is also saying, crime branch is also saying that this is just the beginning of the investigation, and as days pass by, many more names are going to come out, and this entire conspiracy is going to be unearthed. We are stationed right outside the crime branch, where the CFO of Republic TV has been asked to appear. 11 o'clock was the time that was given to him. He's been summoned for questioning, but he is yet to appear. Mumbai police officials say that specific questions, direct, sharp questions will be asked to the CFO. What is his defense towards...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.